Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can add a credit card to your BDO online banking. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your app. You can do it on your app as well and on your website as well. Either way, you have to access your app. You can download it from Google Play, App Store, App Gallery, wherever you can get it, whether you have access to, and then you can simply sign up if you haven't, or sign in if you already have an account. Now as soon as you've done that, your credit card will be listed there. You can tap on, you can simply select your credit card that you would like to add. Now it will ask you to fill out the details that it needs. So if you have your physical card on yourself, you can simply add in the details, right? And then once you add it, then you have to confirm and agree to the terms and condition and the data privacy concern it will ask for. Set confirm and save and continue. Then you want to go to the next page, and where you will have to enter your preferred username and password for it to be continued. Go ahead and enter your username if you haven't created your account. If you already created an account and you're doing it in a signed in account, then go ahead and enter the password only. Make yourself a password, reconfirm it, and then tap on submit. Once you've done that, this is how you're going to be entering yourself a credit card in your BDO Online Banking likewise. Now next time, you can simply open up your app. You can check your account details through the app, including your credit card situation. You can check out everything like that over there. That is basically how you will be able to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.